The surprise is this. This really happened in my life. I'm not, no, it's not a story because this is the one which has transformed me. I'll tell you. So the third friend, he just walked to me with the same quality. It was a big shock to me. I started blaming. Why is this? Always I get this kind of friends. Only to me this is happening. Always this kind of incident is repeating in my life. Always only this kind of people are coming and accessing and just becoming a friend to me. What is this? What is my mistake? What is that previous Janma connectivity between these qualities always coming to me? In this way, I started just querying and still because I can't accept it. And now I was so disappointed. Why is this? Why always to me it is happening? And this time, in a very soft way, still I just ignored this friend and I was aparted from this friend also. Now you see, this is the very surprising part. This incident which happened to transform me. What is that? The fourth time when the same quality just came as a different friend. The different name, the same quality came. This time I understood. What I understood? It is a fight between not me and the people. It is a fight between me and the divine. That's what I understood. So I started just fighting with the divine now. I didn't fight with the people. I didn't fight with the person. I start fighting with the divine. Why is that you are sending this kind of people always to me? Why should I face this trouble? I started fighting. This fighting was going because there's an emotion involved in it. Something I like, dislike. That the fight between the likes and dislike. Am I right or not? So it is a fight which is happening inside me. It is not the fight between me and the person. Between my like and my dislike. The fight is between my like and my dislike. My acceptance and my non-acceptance. So this is the fight. One day, because I didn't ignore the friend, because I don't want to do that mistake. He is there as with me as a friend. And then one day this arose in me. What is this? The divine cannot be wrong. I can be wrong. This is the conclusion I made. Because I am living with a limited mind, small mind. The unlimited cannot be wrong. This limited mind can be wrong. So this experience is not happening out of mistake. This incident is happening perfectly to teach me something. What is that it's trying to teach me? I just started approaching it. Once I start approaching it, I understood that my disagreement, which is called my non-acceptance, is the problem. To develop the acceptance and to come out of the non-acceptance, this game is happening in me. That's what I understood. Today I'm talking about this acceptance. Today I talk about the blissfulness is all about your acceptance. Today I say about your liberation. Liberate yourself from fear, failure, worry, suffering, ego, anger, jealousy, greedy, I say. How to come out of it, I just describe. And then I'm saying about the acceptance. Acceptance is blissfulness. All this, just this nature I acquired out of that incident, which happened the fourth time, repeatedly, which happened in my life. That understanding, that gave me a better understanding. What is that understanding? Don't function from your non-acceptance, function from your acceptance. So, function from your acceptance. So, that to develop that acceptance in me, to come out of that conflict in me. See, today I am very peaceful is because of there is no conflict in my mind. Several incidents, it doesn't mean that everything is perfect around me. It doesn't mean I'm very happy, which doesn't mean that my blissfulness doesn't mean that everything is perfect around me. It means that I have decided to look the best in everything around me.